Okay, this lesson is about quadrilateral angles. All right, we're going to need to be able to find a missing angle in a quadrilateral. We're going to need to be able to create an equation and solve it. And we're going to need to be able to create an equation, solve it, and then find a missing angle. All right, so the whole premise of this lesson is based on something that you guys have already figured out to be true about the angles of a quadrilateral. All right. If you're dealing with the angles of a quadrilateral, you know that the interior angle sum has to be 360 degrees. All right. Now, what the rest of these three pieces of notes, to find the missing angle, to find x given the angles, and to find a missing angle given the expressions, these are all notes in case you get stuck, and these are step-by-step directions on how to do it. We're going to jump for this video lesson, we're going to jump right into doing it, okay? So here's a picture. We know that this is a quadrilateral. We know that the three angles of a quadrilateral add up, the four angles of a quadrilateral add up to 360 degrees. So here's what I know. This question mark I'm going to call x. I know that x plus 115 plus 65 plus 115 has to add up to 360. In other words, take a look at this. Each of the four angles have to add up to 360. This is the whole premise of this lesson. All right, so now I'm going to solve this equation. I have x plus, let's see, that would be 295, I believe. Let me double check my arithmetic here. Yep, is equal to 360. All I did was combine like terms, and then I solve for x by subtracting. I get x is equal to 65 degrees. All right, let's try this next one here. So in this next one, I'm going to call this x. I'm going to set up the equation. X plus 85 plus 115 plus 50 has to add up to 360. So again, once again, the four angles of a quadrilateral have to add up to 360. So this gives me x plus 250 equals 360. Combine like terms. Subtract 250 now, and we get x is equal to 110 degrees. Now, if this makes sense, then you should be able to follow the rest of the lesson, all right? The only difference is now what we're going to do is we're going to throw more variable expressions in it. So in this next picture, it says solve for x. I see x is in this expression right here. I know that the four angles of this quadrilateral have to add up to 360. So I simply state 14x plus 8 plus 105 plus 99 plus 78 equals 360 degrees. All right? And again, here's an angle, here's an angle, here's an angle, there's the four angles. All right, so on this now, I want to combine my terms, and I'm using a calculator to help me do the arithmetic. When I combine my like terms, I get 14x plus 290 is equal to 360. All right, how I got that 290? 8 plus 105 plus 99 plus 78. I subtract 290, I get 14x is equal to 70. I divide by 14, I get x is equal to 5. All right, let's try a second one here. Now, a good habit, guys, is when I have two examples like this, pause the video right now and try to do it without me. See if you can do it without me, and that way you're kind of working ahead and you're double checking yourself. But I'm going to continue with the video here. All right, I have four different angles here. So I'm going to start with 18x minus 7 plus 7x plus 12 plus 70 plus 110 and the 4 angles have to add up to 360. Now, in this particular case, 2 of the angles of the 4 had x in it. So I'm going to combine those x's, 25x. I'm going to combine my like terms of numbers, -7 plus 12 plus 70 plus 110, and that gives me positive 185 is equal to 360. All right, I subtract 185 from 360, and I get 25x is equal to 175. So I know x here will be 7. So the third type of problem that we have is, notice they want me now to find the measurement of angle x. I set it up the same way. I know that the 4 angles, 13x plus 1, plus 7x plus 7, plus 116, plus 76, all have to add up to 360. I combine like terms, I have 20x. Let's see, 1 plus 7 plus 116 plus 76 gives me 200. So 20x plus 200 equals 360. Or 20x is equal to, subtract 200, 160. So then I know x is equal to 8. But they asked me to find angle F. I know that angle F is the expression 7x plus 7. So the measure of angle F is going to be 7 times 8, which is x, plus 7, or the measure of angle F is 63 degrees. This is now what they're asking me to find, the measurement of the angle. All right, so again, stop the video, try to do this by yourself. Okay, they want us to find the measurement of angle F. I know F in this case is 19x. Set up the equation, 19x plus 31x plus 4 plus 106 plus 100, and the 4 angles have to add up to 360. Combine like terms, I get 50x plus 210 is equal to 360, or 50x is equal to 150, subtracted 210. Divide by 50, I get x is 3. To find the measurement of angle F, I take 19 times 3, or the measure of angle F is 57 degrees. I hope this helps. Good luck. Please have that homework completed for the next class.